morning, students. Welcome again. And this new session, it is exercise 5D of class 6. Okay. So first question says that arrange in ascending order. These fractions are given. You have to arrange in ascending order. So how would you make? So if we change all the fractions into like fraction, what? If we change all the fractions into like fraction, then we can write in ascending or descending order. So what is the method of changing any fraction into like fractions? You know the like fractions whose denominators are same. If the denominators of all the fractions are equal, then the fraction will be like fractions. Okay? So now how would you change and how will you make all the denominators equal? So the rule, first of all, we have to find the LCM. You have to find the LCM of the denominators. LCM of the denominators. So LCM 5, 10, 15 and 30. Find out the LCM. First by 2. This is 15 times. Now we can, by 5 we can write 5 1 ja, and again by 3. Okay, now the LCM 2 multiply 5 multiply 3 and 1, you can write or not. 5 3 are 10 and 3 30. 30 is the LCM. Now make all the denominators into 30. You have to make 30 of all the fractions. Now fractions, whatever given, 2 upon 5, 7 upon 10, 11 upon 15 and 17 upon 30. Okay. So now we have to make all the denominators 30. So first we take 2 upon 5. So we have to make 5 into 30. So we have to multiply by 6. If you multiply by 6 with the denominator, then we have to multiply with the numerator as well. Then it will cut and we will get 2 upon 5 again. 7 upon 10 multiply by, if you multiply by 3, then it becomes 30. So also by 3 we have to multiply here. 11 upon 15. So make 30 this one. So by 2 we have to multiply and this is same. Because we have to make 30 all the denominators. Okay. So it becomes 12 upon 30. This becomes 21 upon 30. And this is 22 upon 30. And 17 upon 30. Now you can write that which one the ascending order means smallest. Which one is smallest? So you know this one is smallest, 12 is smallest, then 17, then 21, then 22. Okay, so we can write 12 upon 30, then 17 upon 30, and 21 upon 30, and last 22 upon 30. And we got 12 upon 30 from 2 upon 5. So 12 upon 30 we can write 2 upon 5 is less than 17 upon 30. We got this one 17 upon 30. 21 upon 30, 21 upon 30 we got 7 upon 10. And 22 upon 30 we got from here 11 upon 15. Okay, this is the ascending order. Okay, I hope you got it. First of all, we have to find the LCM of the denominators. Okay, LCM of denominators. Now make all the denominators 30. whatever we will get into the LCM, that you have to convert that number, you have to get, you have to make the denominators. 5 you have to make 30, 10 you have to make 30, 15, and this is 30, no change. Okay, for making 30 we multiply by 6 with the numerator and the denominator. Okay, also by 3 we multiply, it become 30 by 3 with the numerator and denominator as well. Also by 2 when we multiply by 15, so it become 30. So all the denominators become equal. Now you can write in ascending or descending order whatever said. So here say it has asked that write in ascending, so we have written in ascending. I hope you got it. Also there are many examples given in your book. You will write in ascending and descending order as well. Okay. Now I have taken 28 number question. So question says that Lalita read 30 pages of a book containing 100 pages. How many total pages? 100. Out of 100, how many read? 30. So Lalita read 30 pages out of 100. Okay. And while Sarita read 2 by 5 of the book, and Sarita read Sarita read 2 by 5 of the book. 2 by 5 of the book. Book has 100 pages. Who read more? Then question says who read more. So when you solve this, it becomes 3 upon 10. Okay, but when you solve this, it becomes so directly we can write this which one is more or which one is less. Okay, it is 30 upon 100 and this become 2 upon 5, which is more, 2 upon 5 when we solve it becomes 40 pages he read. How many pages? He read 40 pages and he has read directly, you can do that, he read 30. 30 page he read of 100 out of 100 and he read 2 by 5 of 100 means 40 page he read. Who read more? So Sarita read more. So you can write Sarita read more page. Okay, I hope you got it. Now I do the next question. Now I solve the 32 question. Question says in a school 20 students out of 25 passed in 6A. In 6A total students 25 and out of 25 20 students passed, and while 25 out of 30 passed in 6B. Okay, so which section gave better result? So we have to compare which is more. In 6A passed the students, number of passed the students 20 students out of 25, total 25 and 20 students passed. Okay, and in class 6B number of all the students. Total is 30 and passed students 24. So you have to find that which is more. Okay, so how we can find? Now compare. How we can compare? I have taught you that we have to take the cross product. Taking cross product, we have to multiply 20 by 30 and 25 multiply 24. Okay, which is 3 to the 6 and 2 0 600, and this is 25 4 the 100 and 25 to the 50 and 10 60. We got here also 600 and also we got 600. So both section got equal result, not anyone more or anyone less. Okay, so at last, so 25 equals 24, both are equal. So at last we have to write that both did equal result. If this one would be greater than big section, means section A would be better. Okay, and if this side would be greater than big section, section B would be greater. But both, when we multiply, both will becomes equal. That's why both section did same result. No one is greater. Okay, I hope you got it. Now I see you in the next section. Till then, have a good day. Bye.